So welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to install Java 8 and Kali Linux. Okay, so again open the browser. So it would be quite easier than other videos on YouTube. Okay, Java 8 download, click on Oracle site. Again type Control F and search for Java space 8. Okay, and scroll down and you have to download this file. Okay, 64-bit compressed archive. And again, I have to accept term and conditions. No issues. Let's try once again. I don't know why it's allowing me to download, but no, this is not the correct file. Okay, here's the file. Now let me download it and get back to you. So downloading has been started and it's about to finish. Close the browser. Now get back to the downloads folder and cut it. Paste it to the desktop. Okay. Now here's the file. Now open another terminal in the same directory. Now you have to extract this file to the OPT directory. Okay. Now run the command sudo tar -xf and the file name. Okay. And after that -C opt and hit enter. So here is the file. Okay. Now this was the first command. Before that, let me show you what the latest Java version I have installed by default in my device. So I have Java 11, nothing else. Okay. Now, as Windows 7 and Windows 10, we used to provide environment variables in Kali Linux as well. Okay. So basically, we used to create soft links in Linux. So let's do it. Now here you have to provide the path. So we should provide the path to Java. Okay. So let's type a command. Copy the entire path. Okay, this is the absolute path to Java binary. Okay. Paste it in between the quotes and type 1, then hit enter. Okay. So we did a mistake. Great. Now you have to set Java 8 as a default Java. Okay. Open a new terminal and type sudo update alternatives. So here you can see Java 8 is type 1 and hit enter. And here you can see Java 8 has been installed in our device. So if you follow this video, same way you can install Java in ParaDOS as well. So if you want to watch the next part, you can do it.